Okay, firstly, we have site preparation and setting out.
Okay, so what is site preparation? Site preparation for construction consists of multiple steps, each playing a different role in readying a site for building. But while each step contributes to the final result, every project is unique. This means the site preparation for a construction project will vary slightly from job to job. Okay, so this is the step of site preparation.
First, we have soil testing. Soil testing can analyze test result to evaluate soil property, so we can be prepare a detailed report with recommendation for foundation design, potential issue, and soil improvement methods if needed.
For construction survey, this understanding the drainage layout, underground wiring, soil composition to allow site plans to be created and grants, permits, and approval to be acquired before construction. Construction survey also can create for the construction site with mesh fencing, chain link, or other barricades to ensure that all construction elements are stable and going according to plan.
After the site has been appropriately evaluated, a design plan can be created. The design planner configures where the structure should go, along with the septic and drainage system. Access points are also implemented to allow workers and vehicles quick. The better mapped a construction site is, the faster work can be done with minimal safety risk. For demolition and clearing, this will require heavy equipment that can only be operated by trained professionals. Equipment might include hoe, hammer, tape measure, and push cart. Existing structure, debris, and foliage must be removed before construction begins. This might include large rocks, tree damage, or old structure, or other obstacles. So, it's time to install drainage system. Proper drainage is crucial for preventing erosion and directing water flow away from the property. Systems like slit, fans, and retention ponds can help manage water runoff while a site undergoes construction.
Okay, so we move to setting out. What is setting out? Setting out of building refers to the process of transferring the dimension and layout of the proposed structure from the architectural plans to the actual construction site. This critical step ensures that the building is accurately positioned according to the approved design. So this is the step of setting out. For transferring design coordinates can converting the previous measurement and dimension of the design into real-world position. These tools ensure that the coordinates of key structural elements. For establishing control points and markers, users can set up additional control points and markers that will guide the construction process. Include stakes, nail, bolt, or pin are placed at critical locations around the site to indicate the age of foundation, the century of load-bearing walls, or the position of columns and beams. And the last is verification and adjustment. Verification and adjustment can correctly position to ensure they match the design specification. If discrepancies are found, they must be corrected at this stage to prevent issues during construction.
Good morning everyone. Today I will be share about the woodwork and steelwork process, which involves three main steps: cutting, assembling, and finishing. First step is cutting. For concrete work, we use board and plywood to create the formwork. For safety tools like bolt cutter and glove are used to cut the stitch mesh to match the size of the concrete slab. Cutting wood, tools such as saw or wood machine are utilized. The next step is assembling. In this step, we use tools like nail gun, hammer, and nail to join the wood, board, and frame together. This ensures that the wood formwork is steady and ready to use. The final step is finishing. This step is applied to the formwork to allow efficient penetration and provide a smooth, pore-free surface for the concrete cast. This step is essential to ensure high-quality concrete result.
Concrete work process. First, I will start concrete preparation. Okay. For easy to say, it's how to make concrete. To make concrete, we need three elements, or three ingredients, or four, three fundamental ingredients, with which the mixture is made: water, sand, and cement, and also an aggregate. All these ingredients adhere to each other until forming a concrete mixture. The second process is precast element preparation. In this process, we do concrete slab test. It is to ensure that the concrete mix and the finished slab meet the required strength and quality standard. The concrete work process. First one is in-seat concrete. Concrete process refers to the method of casting concrete directly on the construction site rather than using precast element. And the second step is brick layering. Brick frame around the concrete bedding and pour and spread the concrete on the brick frame. Then use a float sponge to smoothing the surface after it has dried. Because we not gonna plaster it, just look like brick style.
Estúdio, minha vida me ligando, querendo te gabar. Ela quer marra de bandido, tá sentando na minha pica porque sabe que nós banca. Ela tem cara de safada, vem sentando na minha vara, gastando cash em farra. Vai falar até que me ama, tô ouvindo isso na cama. Nada, tô morando no estúdio, minha vida me ligando, querendo te gabar.
What is housekeeping? Housekeeping refers to the keeping of a workplace clean, orderly, and free of hazards. This includes things like keeping floors clear of clutter, sweeping up spills, and disposing of waste properly. Why is good housekeeping important? Good housekeeping is important for a number of reasons. First, it can help to prevent accidents and injuries. A cluttered or dirty workplace can create tripping hazards, slips, and falls. It can also make it difficult to see hazards, such as exposed wires or sharp objects.